Here's another lovely view for you of Oviedo in Asturias in the north of Spain on the evening of May 24th, 2010. I wanted to give you a view. Somebody's peeking down, doesn't want to be on the camera. I wanted to give you a view of this square here. Now, I just arrived in the city and don't really officially have the lay of the land yet, but this looks like it might be City Hall right here. You can see it's 7:35 p.m. And the city is a candidate for the Ciudad Candidata Camino de Europa, which means literally European Path of 2016. Great lovely square here with a nice historic church whose name I will probably find out tomorrow. Two policemen here with their motorbikes in this corner. You can see the city is very, very busy. Even on a Monday night, there are people walking all over the place. This is a pedestrian area, which is always lovely when you go to Europe and you have these great streets and squares that are easily accessible for pedestrians. Here. I'm going to take you up in this direction here through the gate very shortly.